Got the Logitech Comfort Mk345. Let's open it up. So let's first start in the top right here. Comes with the USB-A adapter here. You get 3 batteries, 2 AAAs and a AA here. You have the mouse. Let's open it up and then see what mouse this is. So this is an M275. Haven't actually seen that mouse. Kind of looks like the M720, but no button here on the sides. Just a standard 3-button mouse here. And now we get the keyboard here. We get the information booklet and just some general instructions here for doing the setup for laptop PC. So let's get this off. This is a nice feeling, nice keyboard here with the tactile feedback here. So again, let's recap. You get the keyboard, you get the information booklet, you get the mouse. Again, this is the M275. You get the USB-A adapter, and you get 2 AAA batteries for the keyboard and 1 AA battery for the mouse. And that is pretty much it.